In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and import contacts to a Mailchimp audience from a file. Start by opening Mailchimp in your browser. Once you're in your account, head to the audience section. This is the home base for managing the people you email. From here, look for the option to add contacts. You'll see two main paths. You can add a single contact, which is perfect for entering one person manually, or you can import contacts, which is ideal when you have many people to add at once. Choose Import Contacts to bring in a list. Mailchimp gives you three convenient methods. You can connect to a store if you use an e-commerce platform and want to sync customer information automatically. You can upload a file, which is usually the fastest and most reliable option when you've got a spreadsheet ready. Or you can copy and paste your contacts directly, which is handy for quick additions from a simple list. If you're uploading a file, a few tips will save you time. Use a CSV or TXT file with one contact per line. Make sure the first row has clear headers like email address, first name, and last name. Keep email addresses clean, no extra spaces or special characters, and save the file in UTF-8 format to avoid weird characters. It's also good practice to import only people who have given you permission to email them, and to remove anyone who has previously unsubscribed. If you connect to a store, Mailchimp will pull in customer data so you don't have to manage separate lists. This is great for automated campaigns and segmenting based on purchase history. If you choose copy and paste, make sure your columns are consistent and lined up to match the fields you want to use. After you choose your method, Mailchimp will guide you through matching the columns in your file to the fields in your audience. Double check that the email address column is recognized correctly, map names or other data to the right fields, and ignore any columns you don't need. This is also a good time to assign tags so you can organize your audience later, and to review the status of these contacts, like subscribed or unsubscribed, based on your permissions. When you're ready, review the summary and confirm the import. Mailchimp will process the contacts and let you know when it's done. That's it. Use. Add a single contact for one-off entries or import contacts for bulk uploads using a store connection, a file upload, or copy and paste. Follow these tips and you'll keep your audience clean, organized, and ready for your next campaign.